A fascia adhesion is when two or more layers of fascia are stuck together. That's what restricts your natural motion, causing pain and stiffness. Allow me to demonstrate. Imagine these two pieces of paper are two separate layers of fascia. Usually they're stacked on top of each other with a thin layer of fluid between them. This way it stays lubricated as you move your body without friction. Now watch how I glue these two pieces of paper. The two fascia layers get stuck together, representing fascial adhesions. I can no longer easily slide these fascia layers across each other. Instead, they are pulling on each other, creating tension. This is what restricts your body's natural movements, making you feel stiff and sore. Too much can cause it to tear, like a catastrophic injury. Healing and restoring your body's fascial fitness is the best way to alleviate chronic pain and move naturally again. Was this clear? Leave a comment and let me know.